Hello children, welcome to Math Park. In the series of MCQs, we start with the topic trigonometrical ratios. Exercise 22A and B, both the MCQs will be solved here. This is from the book Concise, Selina, class 9 ICSE. So after going through this video, if you like it, please do not forget to share with your friends. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. So here we start with exercise 22A. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. If sine A is equal to 5 by 13, find the value of tan A. Usually we draw the figure for this, but it has to go very fast. Now sine A, that means A is an acute angle. So we can take A, B, C. So sine A, we know that sine is opposite upon hypotenuse. So this is 5, 13. And 5, 12, 13 is a Pythagorean triplet. Now you are asked to find tan A. Tan A is opposite upon adjacent. So opposite to A is 5 and adjacent is 12. So this is how the first option is the correct option. The second one, if tan A is equal to 3 by 5, find the value of sine square A plus cos square A. Now remember, there is an identity, sine square A plus cos square A is 1. So in this case, if it is MCQ, directly go for it. Otherwise, you have to solve and show. Put cot A is equal to 5 by 12. Find the value of cot square A minus cosec square A. Again, A is an acute angle. Cot A is 5 by 12. So let us take this triangle ABC where cot A. Now cot is adjacent upon opposite. Adjacent to angle A is 5. So we are not taking 5K and 12 because this is a 12K. This is an MCQ. So quickly mental calculation. We know that 5, 12, 13 is a Pythagorean triplet. So cot A, let us substitute the values of cot square A. It is 5 upon 12, the whole square. And cosec square A is hypotenuse upon opposite. So hypotenuse is 13 and opposite to A is 12. So 13 upon 12 the whole square. Solve it. 5 square is 25 upon 144 minus 13 square is 169 upon 144, which we get it as minus 144 upon 144 and which is minus 1. So this is the correct option. D. In the given figure, each observation is in centimeter. Find the value of tan C. Now this is 26 and this is 10. So theorem, we get this as 24. We know that 24, 26, 10 is a Pythagorean triplet. Now once this you have to solve it to get 24 because now this is an MCQ. By now you should know how to find the Pythagorean triplets. Should be few Pythagorean triplets you should be knowing them. Now we have to look for triangle ADC, wherein we have to find the value of tan C. So tan C is again opposite upon adjacent. So with respect to tan C, opposite is 24, adjacent is 32. Dividing by by 8, you get 8 threes and 8 fours. That is how the value of tan C is 3 upon 4. Got it? The last MCQ, the part E of 22A, if cos A is equal to pi cos A is equal to 3. So let us take A as an acute angle. Is an acute angle here. Let us take this B and C. So phi cos A. So you get cos A is equal to 3 by 5. Now a cos is adjacent upon opposite upon hypotenuse. So adjacent to A is 3 and hypotenuse opposite. So this becomes 5. So 4, 3, 4, 5 is a Pythagorean triplet. So sec A is the reciprocal of cos A. So you get sec square A. Sec square A is 5 upon 3 the whole square. And tan A is again opposite upon adjacent. So which is 4 upon 3 the whole square. So which we get it as 25 by 9 minus 16 upon 9 and which is equal to 9 by 9 and that is 1. So this is how we get sec square A minus tan square is equal to 1. This is again an identity which you are going to need further for proofs. Starting with exercise 22B. Choose the correct option from the options given below. A is equal to 30 degree. Then sine 2A upon 1 minus cos 2A is what? Okay, sine 2A means sine of 2 times 30 which is sine 60. And 1 minus cos 2A. So that means 1 minus cos of 2 times 30 which is cos of 60. Put the value sine 60 is root 3 upon 2 upon 1 minus cos 60 is 1 by 2. So which we get root 3 upon 2 1 minus half is half. This we get it as root 3. And root 3 is nothing but cot A. So this is how we get the option cot A is the correct option. If A is equal to 60 and B is equal to 30, find the value of sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. So sin A, that means sin 60. Cos B means cos of 30. Plus cos A means cos of 60. And sin B, so sin of 30. Let us put the values. So sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Cos 30 is again root 3 by 2. Plus cos 60 is half and sin 30 is half. So root 3 times root 3 is 3, 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 upon 4, which is 4 by 4, and that is 1. So this is the correct option. If A is equal to 30, 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A is equal to what? So A is 30, so 3 sin of 30 minus 4 sin of 30 cube. So it is sin cube 30. So let us put the values. 3 sin 30 is half minus 4 sin 30 is half and then the cube of this. So it is 3 by 2 minus 4 upon 8. 1 upon 2 cube is 8. So which is 1 by 2. So 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2 is 2 by 2 and which is equal to 1. So we know that now here the terms are given in terms of sine and cos and tan and all. So we should know which value of the what all values of the angles, the ratios are 1. So we know that sine of 90 degree is equal to 1. And so you get sine of 3 times 90 is so 3 times 30. Instead of 90, it is 3 times 30, which is equal to 1. So that is how you get sine 3a is equal to 1. This is how the option is third one, that is sine of 3a. The d part cos raised to 4a. So we have cos 430 minus sine to the power 430. Cos 30 is root 3 upon 2 to the power 4 minus Sine 30 is half to the power 4. Root 3 to the power 4 is going to be 3 3s are 9 upon 16. 2 to the power 4 is 16 minus 1 upon 16. So which is equal to 9 minus 1, that is 8 upon 16, that is equal to half. Now what value is half here? So we know that cos 60 degree is equal to half. So we know that cos of 60 degree is equal to half. That is how the correct option is cos 60 degree. The last MCQ of today's video, if A is equal to 45, then 2 sin A cos A is equal to what? So 2 times sine of 45 into cos of 45. So we have sine of 45 is 1 upon root 2. Cos of 45 is also 1 upon root 2. So which is 2 times 1 upon root 2 times root 2 is 2 and which is equal to 1. So this is the correct option. Got it? So thus we have completed with 22A and B. Coming soon with the 23. So this is how we complete the trigonometry series, the MCQs. So if you feel that this is helpful, please share with your friends. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.